Welcome to a new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing the mixed fractions. We will be starting with adding and subtracting fractions. Usually in adding and subtracting the fractions, we have one sign in between the two fractions. But sometimes the brackets are added and there is one sign outside of the bracket and one side inside. So we will start with simple concept first. But the rule which we will be following, that is, like if there is a positive sign outside the bracket and positive sign inside the bracket, it will change to a positive sign. Similarly, negative is outside, negative is inside the bracket, it will also change to a positive. When there is one positive, one negative or one negative, one positive, it will always change to a negative sign. So two same signs change to positive, two opposite signs change to a negative. So let us start with this question. So 3 1 by 2 plus 4 2 by 3. This is in the form of Q R over D. I will explain this concept shortly. So Q R over D means quotient, remainder over divisor. So what we do here is we multiply divisor with the quotient D times Q and add the remainder, and the divisor stays in the denominator. If there is a negative sign here, then also we will be multiplying it and adding the remainder. We won't take the negative sign into account. But when the final improper fraction is created, we will put the negative sign. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 over 2. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 14 over 3. Now we have to find the common denominator. In this case, least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So in order to have 6 in the denominator, we will multiply it by 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. But one thing to keep in mind is, as we are working on equivalent fractions, we have to multiply the numerator also by the same number. So 7 over 2 times 3 by 3 plus 14 over 3 times 2 by 2. So it changes to 21 over 6 plus 28 over 6, that is equal to 49 over 6. Now we will be changing it into improper fraction. So we will be dividing the numerator by the denominator by long division. So 49 divided by 6, 6 times 8 is 48 and the remainder is 1. So the quotient is 8, remainder is 1, divisor is 6. So it is in the form of Q R over D. So that is equal to 8 1 over 6. That's our final answer. So when it comes to subtraction, let us take this question into account. 5 2 by 7 minus a positive number or a positive fraction 3 1 by 5. So negative times positive is negative. So it changes to 5 2 by 7 minus 3 1 by 5. It's very important to change the sign here so that we have only one sign, that is addition or subtraction. Now changing it again to improper fraction, 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2 is 37 over 7. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. So 16 over 5. Now least common multiple of 7 and 5 is 35. So again multiplying numerator and denominator by 5, 37 times 5 and 7 times 5. And on the other side, 16 times 7 and 5 times 7. We will get 185 over 35 minus 112 over 35. On subtraction, we are getting 73 over 35. By long division, we get quotient as 2, remainder as 3 and divisor as 35. So 2 3 by 35. So when it comes to multiplying mixed fraction or any improper or proper fraction, we will just multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So let us change it into improper fraction. We have a negative sign outside, so it will be negative 3 1 by 2 multiplied by negative 1 2 by 3. So it is 2 times 3 6 plus 1 7. Some students make a mistake here, they change it to 2 times 3 negative 6 and then add 1. No, for changing it to improper fraction, we will just keep the sign aside. 2 times 3 6 plus 1 7 over 2. 3 times 1 3 plus 2 5 over 3. Then we will put the signs. So this is negative here. So numerator gets multiplied with numerator, and being 2 negative sign, it will change to positive. So it will be 35. 2 times 3 is 6. So we will keep 6 in the denominator. Performing long division, it will be 5 by 6. So quotient remainder over divisor. When it comes to dividing a mixed fraction or any fraction, we change the division sign to multiplication and flip the fraction. So the numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. This only happens after the division sign. So 2 1 by 5 divided by negative 1 3 by 2. So this is 11 over 5 divided by negative 5 by 2. Same concept we have applied as explained before. Now the division sign will change to multiplication and we will flip the fraction. The negative sign will stay in the numerator. So 2 becomes the numerator and 5 becomes the denominator. Now we will apply the multiplication concept. 11 times negative 2 is negative 22. 5 times 5 is 25. Now as numerator is less than denominator, we can't change it into mixed fractions. So we will leave it as it is. Thanks for watching.